Bonjour, bonjour, good morning, everybody. How are we doing? Day numero deux. I think that's like a remix of I don't know how many language. Anyway, so we're in the second day of the trip at Queen Elizabeth National Park, and I just love the feeling of being in a national park, guys. It's one of the best feelings ever, and nostalgia. Everything is happy. How do they say that? Nostalgia, right? That one, you know what I mean. Lots of it happening right now, right here. Oh, I am having so much fun. I'm enjoying myself. Anyway, so we just woke up. Well, not really just woke up. We woke up like about an hour ago, but yeah, we're still in bed. I have my mask on now, waiting for it to simmer, get in properly, and then I'll go take a shower, get ready for breakfast. Everybody's still excited, so you'll be seeing where we'll be going, what we'll be doing today, having fun. So this vlog is just going to be about having fun, enjoying ourselves, nothing major. Once in a while, told you I'll be bringing those. Okay. So see you later when I go for breakfast. Bye bye. I think I like how this mask feels like on the skin once it actually dries. I don't know if it does remove all those things, but guess who is here?
Who is that?
The people.
Hi, the people. Hi, the.
The people.
Zizo elephant.
Hi guys. Lake George, I think. Or Kazinga channel. Right now I'm not quite certain. But we are here and just touring. Man, this trip has been amazing. It's been one of the perfect coming trips, if I can say that. I think my voice is going like really fast because I've been screaming non-stop. I've been screaming non-stop, guys, but this is so much fun. Okay, nakolachi. Sikukwata tofayo. This is crazy, yo. Can you see that? Alright guys, so did I say that? I think I said that. We are at the channel, Kazinga channel. It's quite a huge one. We went at one of the stops, but then it's a really huge one. Tomorrow, though, we'll be on it, on the Kazinga. But right now, I'm just looking at it from the background. Beautiful, beautiful place. So, I'm loving me right now, people. I am loving me. Look at those guys behind. They're having fun, huh? Hey guys, day number 3, y'all. Day number 3. We are out for the game drive now. See, everybody even behind getting ready. So we're headed out to the game drive, Queen Elizabeth. Videos will be coming through, definitely. So guys, come enjoy these places, man. It's the feeling of being in this place is just surreal. It is amazing. Wait, how do they say that word? Is it surreal? Yes, surreal, not Yep, but it's amazing. You better come and enjoy yourselves once in a while. So game drive, if you're coming to Queen Elizabeth, they charge you 20,000, and that also includes a guide per head. Meanwhile, 20,000 per head, including a guide, and you get to ride through the park looking for animals for close to 3 hours or more if you want. Yeah, and then there are more activities. There's boat cruises, there's bird watching, there's biking, there's nature walk, a lot of stuff, a lot of stuff. So it's fun all through. If you want, make up your mind sometime and you can invite me. I like good stuff. Invite me, come on, let's enjoy ourselves, people. Uganda yafe. Alright guys, see you at the game drive. I'll be showing you the videos, so enjoy with me. I'd be nice like that. Guys, so the wildlife began from the very beginning point. I remember when we were growing up, we used to have like this kind of feeling right at our house, because the trees that we had at our house would have, can you hear that? Now look at this. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm so jealous. You know, the ecosystem is changing so much that you no longer see things like these at home. You'd wake up to sounds of birds like this. Oh. Pretty, right? Oh, just know, I love this feeling. It's amazing. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Beautiful background. I'm sorry, I'm looking in the camera itself because I'm also trying to enjoy this environment and the beauty. It's just, you know, I've been here like several times, but then nothing beats this feeling. And it's not the same every time. Too much love, yo. Too much love. Thought I had a lion. I'm kidding.
Yeah, mating ground for Uganda cobs.
Cheers, Adam.
Now, among all antelopes, Uganda cobs have their unique behaviors, whereby when the females are on heat, they don't allow females to mate with them unless they go to the mating ground. So this is one of the mating grounds that cobs establish. Males come here Each one stands in his own territory, and then the females come and make choice among the males. Now, like when you see straight from you here, there is that male standing and has seen.
These are the ones that didn't give transport money.
Hey, where is that transport?
The transport money.
So the men are so peaceful. They don't.
Tebawa transport money, tebatwala kibabu ne basponsoringa. Chiche baliko.
Hey, this particular one.
That guy is rich, man.
Stop.
Yeah.
We stop. But let's go to the other main one. Now,
Nkuvire wetunge. It's okay. Ndio kwenda television.
Wait, what are those things?
those are collars. We do collar them.
How do you color? How do you even get it?
What is concolor?
Ah, na yeme.
Ibadde sensinga.
The Ranzari Mountains. This place is beautiful, eh? It's cool. Oh, buffaloes. Or buffaloes, depending on how you call them.
You can stop.
Look at that, yo.
And lions are very calculating. They don't like wasting their energy on small animals, which they will not get satisfied. Now those ones, they would go for the buffaloes. Cattle egret. Cattle egret. Now when you look at those buffaloes, they try to put up their nose. So they raise their head up to see. Their vision is not good, so they try to smell of what they are looking at. They have a very good sense of smell, so they are smelling and then know that this is not.
Baby, Vegeta Chanel.
So you can differentiate between males and females by looking at their horns. For the males, horns are adjoined at the head center, making a W shape, and then females, horns are more in the side, making a U shape. And in that big herd, there's only one dominant male who rules over other males and females. There are several males, but so long as they are submissive to the dominant male, they are allowed to stay in the group. The one that misbehaves will be kicked out of the herd.
The bachelor. How are you feeling?
Fine.
Excited to see lions, eh?
I am.
You scream, Bulunji.
No. We are not supposed to make noise.
Okay, Belinda, you tell me your experience so far.
They find where they will sleep.
Okay, I've seen the mating ground for the what? The colts, right?
Yeah.
And the lions and the buffaloes. We're still saying, well, saying the mountain is right there.
Yeah, the Ranzori Mountain.
Yeah,
Are you having fun?
this is amazing.
Would you come back?
Definitely.
gwe kucapa tewakuyimba kirabo.
Hi guys, we are ready for the boat cruise. Party time, y'all. Party time. Girl is ready, yo. We're ready. Okay, so we are at Kazinga Channel, and we boarded the boat. It's actually sort of like setting up, ready to go, ready to see some animals. So yeah, we are going to see some animals again. Your girl is here for you. I'm gonna show you some videos, y'all. Definitely. And sun-kissed. Can you see the guys behind? Yeah, baby. We're ready. We ready, guys. We are ready. Dolphin smiling. So the boat cruise at Kazinga Channel is 30,000 per head, and it's one of the activities you definitely have to take part in for you to have fun. Ah, look who's here. Say hi.
Hi, people.
You ready for the boat cruise?
Yes.
Clever, even wearing the life jacket, hey mama. Ready to party? Ooh, yo, me, I'm excited. I've done this like several times, but every single time I do it, it's brand new. I want to do it all over again, so just know. Alright guys, I'm going to have fun. See you later in the cruise.
Peace out.
Or on the cruise.
Yay.
Peace out. They say it. Peace out, yeah.